never mind. Oh,
Hi, welcome to the Android Material Design course. My name is Paulo Deschon and I am a Java Android developer and teacher. I designed this course for anyone seeking to learn how to build material design Android apps from scratch. Whether you've had some programming experience or have never heard of Java and Android, I take you step by step through the whole process of learning Java concepts and ultimately build amazing Android material design apps. By the end of the course, you'll be able to take your app idea, design it, develop it, test it, and launch it. In this course, we'll go over setting up your development machine on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Then we'll cover the basics of the Java programming language. Once the basics are all covered, we'll look at Android development. We'll also cover material design concepts, how to create amazing user interfaces using material design that will wow your users, how to leverage material design tools provided by Google, and how to take an app idea from paper to a final product. The ideal student for this course is anyone who wants to learn Android development and material design. I designed this course so that beginners and experienced developers alike can greatly benefit from the course. So, if you don't have any prior experience at all, this course is for you. If you do have some previous experience, you will still find the content valuable and expand your Android development skill. The good news is there are no requirements necessary to enroll. I only ask you come open-minded and ready to learn. I look forward to showing you step by step how to design robust Android material design applications that will impress your users and potential employers. See you soon.